Welcome to the Sammy Miller Motorcycle Museum. It's Sunday the 3rd of May and it's Autojumble Day.
Yeah, about 3.5 grams of
That's why I'm here. I bought an engine from the it's owned by Chris Martin down in Eastbourne. New owners. Yeah. I've got a brand new engine. It's got to be a quid or something. Cruise is 17 knots. Low engine there.
Oh, do it!
Yeah.
Yeah, mate. Good, thank you. How are you? Yeah, wonderful.
You got rid of a few then?
Flying today. Not a collection like him. No.